Hello guys, today we will solve this forest problem in coding ninjas. Okay, so we know this pattern, right? We need to print this pattern. How we're gonna do it? Let's see. Here is the rows. These are called the rows and these are called the columns. As we all know, means these are the rows and these are columns. So we will take rows is I and columns are j. Okay, fine. Let's start the coding. It is already given void in forest. Intent. What is in over here, right? In is the size of this thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in is the size over here. It is in is 3 over here. We all know. And then we will start our code. We have to take int I, j. I is for the outer loop for the rows and j is for the inner loop. How we do this? And I is equals to 0 and j is equals to 0. How I is equals to 0? 0 is like this. I is going like this and j is going like this. So j equals to 0 and I is also 0. I equals to 0 and how much time I will go n times. Okay, here's the size. How much time it will iterate? It will iterate n times and I plus plus. And for j equals to 0, because it is starting from j, I already told you j less than n and j plus plus. Why j less than n? Because j is also running the same time because it's of same size. Okay, n into n size, same. Okay, now we will see how to print the star. See out, we need to print the star and have to think that there is space. We have to take care of it. There must be space. Okay, it is just for you to show because otherwise your program will never run. See out, and we have to also give the we have to also give the how is it going to the new line. So we have to provide this new line for the new line. See out in so that this inner loop ends and it will go to the new line. Inner loop means this is printing and then to the next line again printing. This is going on. So now we need to end this outer for loop. We will also end this for in forest. This is how our code looks like. So here is the in forest problem in coding ninjas. Sam is making a forest and so on. So we have to provide the output over here. And here it is given in forest. Let's do the coding first. I already told you we need to take in I comma j. I for rows and j for column, right? Okay, I'm writing I is for rows, comma j is equals to for column. Okay, it is not taken because it is in the column line. Now I have to do the looping for loop. It's the outside loop. It will start for I equals to 0 as I told you, and I less than n, and I plus plus. And again we need to do the inner loop for j equals to 0 and j less than n, j plus plus, and so on. I have to bring the star, right? See out star. And I told you we have to take care of the space. As I told you, I will do the same. Now we have to print it in the new line. For this thing, we have to do this backslash n so that it will print in the new line. And I'm doing this code in this C++. Now let's run this code. Here, test was passed, so we can see here the input is given 3, and it is printed in 3 lines, 3 into 3.